What's the meaning of coincident? Coincident. Coincident.
Coincident. Coincident. The word coincident refers to two or more events or circumstances that occur at the same time or place by chance. When two or more things are described as coincident, it means that they happen together by accident rather than being planned or caused intentionally. The concept is often used in probability and statistics to describe the likelihood of two events happening at the same time. In everyday language, the term is often used to refer to events that seem to be related but are not necessarily causally connected.